I have learned is that I have a Twitter account that I completely forgot about, and it's called @thenonprofitguy, which is brilliant.
Brilliant for a Twitter handle. I think, Matt, it is high time to resurrect @thenonprofitguy on Twitter.
Okay.
If ever there was a need for @thenonprofitguy on Twitter, it is now in this moment. I cannot wait to hear what the nonprofit guy has to say. And so, folks, it's happening right now. You got to go to Twitter and start following Matt and our show @thenonprofit guy.
How many times did you say @thenonprofitguy?
You told me 6 times. Did I nail it?
I feel like that was like a good 9 times. How many times do you have to say something for people to actually absorb it?
10,000.
10,000?
Isn't that song about like 10,000 times? I don't. Anyway.
Oh God, that was from Rent. That was a terrible, terrible show.
That's Seasons of Love, Matt. That's how many minutes you measure a year in life.
Oh, and I hate that song. God, I hate that song.
If you want to hate on Matt and his hate on Rent, do find us on the web at envisionnonprofit.com and let us know. Give us the straight feedback here, folks, or the gay feedback. What have you? I'm not biased towards the feedback.
I appreciate you including the gay feedback. Yes. And I have the @thenonprofitguy on Twitter. What is that, 12th time? But I haven't done it in years, and so what now I have learned is that I have to now go in it right now and start tweeting right now @thenonprofitguy.
Like as soon as we hang up with this call, and that's what you're gonna do.
Ugh, all right, fine.